My name is Hermine Schnetler, and I'm originally from South Africa. As a matter of fact, I was the first female to graduate in electronics engineering from the University of Pretoria. I teach function-based systems engineering for the design of astronomical instruments and control system architectures here at SPIE. Well, actually, everybody who is in the business of creating solutions for problems will benefit from my course. I teach a very simple but very effective methodology to people that they can use together with common sense to end up with a very fit-for-purpose product. In the duration of 4 hours, I actually show to the participants that they can go from a science case to actually a conceptual instrument design.